How to contact WhatsApp support. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact WhatsApp support. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact WhatsApp customer support. If you want to contact the customer service from WhatsApp, what you have to do is just simply open up your browser or your WhatsApp application. Now, WhatsApp does not have an individual customer service number that you can call 24/7. That is because what happens is WhatsApp also has billions of users and they cannot accommodate to every single user. But you can talk to a WhatsApp chat agent. So you can tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side and go to settings. Scroll down and tap on help. Then tap on help center from the top. And from help center, tap on this contact us button from the bottom right, and you can say get help from official WhatsApp support. Some answers might be AI generated, so tap on start chat button, and over there you'll be able to basically inquire any of the issues that you might be facing with WhatsApp over here. So this way you can contact WhatsApp support. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.